Welcome back. How about we try a different angle? If you guys hate it, let me know. I'll change it back. I can always move the camera. Okay, so I had a problem with my ESCs. I don't know what those yellow ones I was going to use. Didn't work. So I got these. Two Hobby King 30 amp ESCs, okay? They should do the job. We use them. They work just fine. I've tested them. So I've got one motor mounted completely in the pod here. Fiberglassed in. The wires run through here with the ends on for the ESC to connect to. I can put the ends on this ESC. I only need one ESC to test them. So I wanted to know if I had a problem with my motors or I had a problem with what. So I found out the ESC was the problem. So here we go. Here's the one wing. I guess this is going to go through here. And then with those two dots, I will glue the pod on there. I don't think that view is going to work very good, is it? Let's move back over the other tripod. Okay. Yeah. We'll move back to the other tripod and go from there. Okay, how's that? That better? Just head back up here. Okay, so here's the pod. Here's the wing, remember? So what I have to do is glue that on. Okay, so I can see a whole bunch of spots here. Okay, and here's what we'll start doing. Look for a little piece of sandpaper. Okay, let's sand this stuff. Bring it down. Sand some of the paint off this foam. Okay? So I'm going to rough it up. Okay? Wow. That paint's really on there. Oh well. Okay, so we'll rough it up. And then I take the same area on the wing here where it's really smooth finish. I'm going to find a little coarser sandpaper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rough up that section as well. Okay? That way we should help the paint stick better, or the glue stick better. The epoxy we're going to use. Put this in the center here. You don't want to scratch up the wing all over. Just where the pod's going to go. Look for some good spots for it to glue. That's a coarser paper. I'm going to use my X-Acto knife. No, maybe not. What do I have? I can use in there. Okay, I'll find something in a bit. Okay. Now, I got both scratched up. Not a lot, but a bit. Guaranteed to make good connection. Get these wires through one more time. Okay, we all fit. So, what I have to do now is I'll mix up some epoxy. We'll come back and we'll glue this pod on the wing. Oh, here we go. Okay, so Get some epoxy mixed here. Now first off, I'm going to glue this wood into this other pod for the other wing. So we're doing this. We get glue on this. Okay. Now let the epoxy run a bit. So pull my wires in. Push my border down. Pull my wires in a bit. That's it right there. That's where I want it. So just set that over here for now. Now, we're going to mount this on the wing. I'm just going to put epoxy on this part. Okay? Stick loaded up here. Now, I have a feeling it's very important to glue this part on really good, you guys. Okay? I will apply a little epoxy to the other side. Hope you guys can see me. I didn't check. Yeah, okay, I'm off. Just went off the camera, aren't I? Darn. I made way too much epoxy up. Oh well. Oh well. Now, all the parts going to get glued. Has glue on it. Set my wires. I don't want my wires to have glue on them yet. Right? So now on the wing part, this dimple here, I'll put some epoxy in there. Okay. And this other one goes right through the wing. I don't even want a bunch of epoxy coming on the bottom. I just want to put a little bit there. Just so I know for sure. You have lots of epoxy on these spots, they're going to stick good. Okay? Okay. Set that aside. Drop my wires through here without getting glue on them, I hope. Okay. Come. Let's set that down. Now, wiggle this in place. I mean, it fits there pretty solid. Okay. Now, let's see. This side, there's a little bit of excess. So, sorry, I'm going on a screen here. I'm just going to pick up. Oh, there's a little bit of excess here. Yeah. So, well, now I see I squeezed a bit out on this side. That sucks. A little bit of epoxy on the edges. Oh well. Try and get it off here as much as possible. Okay. I believe that pod is glued on. We'll hold it here until the epoxy sets. And I'll be right back when it sets up.